Hey fairies, and welcome back to part 3. So just for you guys, I'm going to teach you my nooping trick, which I hold near and dear to my heart. So let's give it a shot. I'm going to start with the way that I learned how to do it for the first time, which is a bit easier from starting from the neck, because a lot of intermediate people do start from the neck up. So we're going to start in lasso. We're going to put it on just our index finger, just like that. So one of the biggest things that helped me learn this trick was understanding that I had to turn with the hoop to get it onto my nose, because this actually helps slow it down a little bit. And what you want to do is, you want to put your forehead flat against the sky, you want to crunch your spine into your skull, and it's going to feel so awkward, but it's going to be worth it. So you want to really crunch that back. You're going to look straight through the hoop, and you're going to turn. And you'll see that the hoop slows down a little bit. And it gets closer and closer to your face until you're right at your nose. And when you're confident enough, put her on. Keep turning. Roll your lips in. Don't wear lip gloss. Step by step, turning and down. Awesome, good job. So this is for more intermediate. We're going to start with the hoop around your neck, like this. We're going to spin, and again, we're going to turn with the hoop. So that's a little bit more slower, so you can learn. And this is where it gets nitty gritty. There is a motion where I drop my neck down, the hoop hits the right side of my chin, and then I fling up. Ready? And up. So that is the last of the 3 tricks. We're going to put all of them together. So do you remember the first one? Yeah? You remember now? So you're going to go up, twist, onto the leg, jump through, wedgie, lasso. Do the beginner style on the nose, turning. Boom, bitches! So, let me know how you go with these tricks. I'm so excited for you to try this out, see if it works for your flow, try it on stage, at a birthday party, whatever you're doing it for. But please send me what you do, because I am so keen to see it. So, signing off, love from CJ the DJ, but not really, it's Charissa Deville. Love yous.